It's Connie with simplysimplestamping.com, back with your favorite, another 2-minute Tuesday tip. I think you're going to really like this one. We're going to talk about baker's twine and how we can manipulate it a little bit. We're going to get a little more bang for our buck, and it's going to be a little bit easier to work with. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I've got our Nature's Twine collection, but this is going to work with any of them. So let's say I wanted to create a bow. Twine can be a little stiff when you go to create a bow. So what I like to do is I like to break it down into 2 or 3 bows. I'm simply going to unravel the end, just like so. And then you're going to split this into, you see I've got 3 pieces there, I've got 3 pieces there, and I have 3 pieces right there. We're going to take one of these. I'm going to grab these other 2 and just hold it there between my thumb and my finger. And I'm just going to give this a pull. Can you see what it's doing right here? You're just going to give that a pull, and we get to the end. I now have a nice little thin piece of baker's twine. I can do the same thing here. And I now have 3 pieces of baker's twine. And now to tie a bow for my project, I can simply make my 2 bunny ears, tie them together, boom. I can just manipulate that bow. Look at that, super cute and so easy. It's a great way to use that baker's twine. And like I said, get a little more bang for your buck. Why not? Remember, this tip will work with any of our baker's twine, whether it's thick, thin, the striped with the little silver threads in it, any of this will work. And remember, you can find the baker's twine at one place. Head over to simplysimplestamping.com and order what you need by just clicking a pick. Guys, thank you so much for being here today. Get your hands on some baker's twine, have some fun. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.